Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, open your Google application. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant and now scroll down and find general option, this one. Now tap here on this feature to turn off Google Assistant. Confirm operation tapping turn off one more time, and that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.